God, it's Friday. Welcome back to Coffee Chat.
Your identity is concerned. God is so good, He will give you air angels.
Mag-aral ka ng dance, voice, lahat ng pwede mong pasukan na aralin mo.
Sa mga director, producers, designers. Number one yan sa mga designers. Kasi sila yung...
Parang, why would you wait for challenges to come? Hindi ba challenge yung araw-araw na?
Where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories. Hello everyone, and thanks God it's Friday, and welcome back to Coffee Chat Season 3, where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories. My name is Evan Aveno, your host for Season 3. Ayan mga ka-coffee mates and ka-coffee cakes, another Friday has come. That means another story that will be untold. Ano daw? Wrong grammar. Another story will be told for today. Ayan. Pero before anything else, guys, we would like to invite everyone to our upcoming anniversary show, of course, with First Sun Production entitled Saglit Lang, Totoo Na. And this will be on June 6 and 7, 3 p.m. and 7 p.m., featuring the works of Lisa Magtoto, Vincent De Jesus, Alfonso Dacanay, Rene Villanueva, Gloria Nacional, Caleb Alvarez, and Frank Rivera. This will be, magsisimula ang ating production now with this production on June 6 and 7 in 5th floor, the Mirror Studio Theater in SJG building in Kalayaan Avenue, Poblacion. So for tickets and reservations, you may directly contact us with First Sun Production or through our phone number at 0954-170-2679 and 0927-242-2673. So guys, first come, first serve to So make your reservations now as early as now para hindi kayo maubusan ng tickets. Ayan, and of course, we would like to invite everyone to please do like, follow, and subscribe to our official fan pages with Ignis Novus Artist Management in Facebook and in Instagram. That's Ignis Novus Artist Management, and in TikTok at ignisnovus.official. At syempre, ang ating mother production ng First Sun Production, yan, in Facebook and in Instagram, that's First Sun Production. And if you want to watch the replay of our contents, kasama na dyan yung mga upcoming theater shows natin, mga short films, and even teasers of our corporate event, yan, you may follow us in YouTube at First Sun Creatives. And of course, we also want to invite everyone to watch our live stream with Ignis Novus Artist Management. Every Monday, we have Chikahan with Mami Ray. Ayan, Up Top Download Podcast with Caleb Alvarez and Charles Leon Partido every Wednesday. And of course, Coffee Chat with Daven Noveno every Friday. So make your 7 p.m. MWF a habit with Ignis Novus Artist Management. Ayan, sa mga ka-coffee mates and ka-coffee cakes, hindi ko na po papatagalin because we have a very special guest for today. He is a director, writer, visual artist, and public speaker. O, di ba? Nasa kanya na lahat. Let's all please to welcome Direk Mano Respal. Ayan.
Hello. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the show. I'm so excited to be back. So,
Yeah.
This is my second time. So,
Right.
Coffee Chat, guys. Thank you for being here.
Yes, welcome to Coffee Chat, Direk.
Ignis Novus. Thank you to Sir Rodel, Direct Rodel.
Yes. And of course, Direk, no, syempre, while we are having conversation with Coffee Chat, gusto natin chill lang tayo dito. Yeah, so we have coffee here, so
Yep.
you may take a sip whenever you like it.
I will.
Ayan.
So, Daven, are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited, Direk.
Let's
Ayan.
go.
Sige. Direk, siguro this is just a warm-up, no, for
Sige.
us, no? Direk, can you walk us through? Paano po ba kayo nagsimula as a director?
Oh, okay. Malawak kasi masyado yung director part, no? So, I also direct. So, I direct almost anything. So, I direct plays, I direct short films, I've directed a full film, I direct fashion shows, I direct events, mga awards nights and stuff, etc., etc. I started because when I was a teenager pa. So I was really exposed, and my family, they're all in the business, show business. And I started doing it in the church. So, nung mga 14, 15 ako, yun, yung mga Senaculo, yung mga ganon, yung mga Joseph the Dreamer, alam na natin yan. So, I grew up like that, and then I started directing, and then started making sense to direct sa labas na ng church.
Yes.
Yun, sa mga schools naman. And then until I was picked up by some people na, oh, you also direct, o tara, direct na. Ganon. Nag-AD rin ako for a movie, for Cinemalaya. So, yun, tas wala na, dire-diretso na siya until I met other directors na rin who get me also to do AD for them.
Yes, and of course, alam ko direct, no, maraming dinaanan yan. Kumbaga, panahon ang ginugol natin dyan, no? Kasi syempre, before ka maging director, maybe you started as an actor,
Actually,
diba?
it's a natural progression. Kunyari, artista ka, eventually, biglang nagsusulat ka na rin. Tapos eventually, nagdidirect ka na rin. Nagde-design ka na rin ng set. Ganun siya. Kung you're the type to really progress and parang widen your scope sa arts. Yung iba naman, one journey, meaning they just want to be a writer. Ganun. Yung iba, pero pag writer ka, naturally, or actor, naturally, eventually, magiging director ka rin one day.
Yes.
Kasi you will have a vision of your own.
Yes,
So, yun yung
exactly. Actually, isa yan sa mga pinapangarap. Wow, pinapangarap natin.
Kaya mo
Maging
yan.
Writer, kaya yan, di
Oo,
ba?
next time, ikaw na yung ini-interview ko because you're a writer na. Di ba?
Well,
But not
that's one of
everybody
my
gets,
dream.
but not
Yes.
everybody wants that, that journey.
Mhm.
So, minsan, actor lang, they want to be, and then sometimes they become a writer. Pero hindi na nila pinapakailaman yung directing part kasi they love to be the actor lang. May ganun din.
May question ako, Derek. As a writer, ano ang pinaka-challenging sa job mo as a writer?
Okay, pag eto kasi yung parati kong sinasabi when I teach my artists, do not ever create art for the people. Always create art to the people. Meaning, mensahe mo sa kanila. Hindi mo ginagawa para sa kanila. So, ang writing, minsan kasi nagkakamali yung mga writers na ang susulat sila para magustuhan ng tao. Mali kasi you will never please everybody. So, might as well write na lang what you want to tell them, what message you want to share to the people para buong-buo yung pagsulat mo. Hindi yung, kailangan magustuhan nila to. Paano kung hindi nila gusto?
Ganon.
Diba? Sometimes, hindi naman nila gusto, hindi naman lahat gusto gawa mo eh. So, masasaktan ka tuloy. So, if you create art for the people, you will fail because they won't like everything you will do. So, ma-discourage ka, masasaktan ka. So, kung ang ginagawa mo is to express, tapos bahala na if they like it or not, yun ang mas magandang, parang reason why you should create art.
So, kailangan talaga, kung ano yung na-visualize mo, ito yung gusto kong story na sabihin sa tao.
Oo. Wag yung, ito yung magugustuhan nila.
Yes.
Pero syempre kasama na yun, yung alam mo naman ang gusto ng tao ngayon, they love, Filipinos love drama.
Yes.
Hanggang doon lang. Pero wag yung ultimate, pati linya, pati eksena, kung ano lang yung sa tingin mo gusto nila, yun ang gagawin mo. Hindi. Show them a different kind na galing sa'yo.
Correct.
Na ikaw nakaisip.
Yes.
Ganun.
I like the attack, Direk. You are writing to tell a story, not to please everybody.
Hindi ka kliyente ng mga tao. Diba? Hindi ka naman nila binayaran para magsulat eh.
Yes.
Unless it's a client that came to you and said, Direk, can you write me a story? It's about my life. I'll pay you. Unless it's a ganon, then write for them.
For them, yes.
Case-to-case basis yan.
Yes,
kasi
correct.
maraming sitwasyon to be a writer.
Sige, Direk, ikakat ko muna yung usapan natin. Kasi
Sige.
balita ko maraming tao sa comment section.
Okay,
so, batiin lang muna natin sila.
Hello!
Ayan. Unang-una, si Mami Rachel Pulyon. Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyo.
Hello, Mami Ray.
Magandang gabi, Diven, Direk Manu. Ayan.
Hello,
My mom-
Jeline.
My mom is there, Jeline Balmores.
Wow,
hello
hello,
po,
Mami.
magandang gabi. Gail is also there. Magandang gabi.
Hey!
Dan, ang lusog mo po host. Oo, talaga puhunan yon, Dan.
Cute yan, cute.
Yes. Brian Christopher Jao, ayan. Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyo. Kael Niegos, good evening po, Sir Diven and Derek.
You can ask anything, guys, okay?
Yes. Micaela Sales, ayan, magandang
Hello,
gabi po.
Micaela.
Yan. At sabi nga po ni Direk, no guys, kapag may questions kayo about Direk, just drop it here in the comment section at itatanong natin diretso kay Direk.
Pwedeng reaction.
Yes.
Any kind of reaction tungkol sa mga sinasabi ko. Tara, let's go.
Yes, correct. And Direk, mabalik ako sa usapan natin, no. Now, I wanted to know kasi public speaking, no, and kung hindi ako nagkakamali, you've been doing this for years already.
29 years.
Yes.
Yeah.
Direct, for those individuals na gustong pasukin yung lirangan ng public speaking, ano ang best advice mo na mabibigay sa kanila?
Okay. May example akong lalaki, pero I won't name him.
Ah.
Pero my best advice to those who want to be a speaker like me or a speaker, I don't advise it if magte-trip ka lang or you're gonna try. So you don't need to try. You don't try it because ano to mahirap maging speaker. Alam mo yan, David.
Correct.
When you come in front of the people, all their eyes, all their judgments, all of the pressure is there. Hindi siya madali. Kailangan you're born to do it.
Yes.
Pero pwede mo siyang pag-aralan and then i-train mo sarili mo. Pero I call those who are trained lecturers. They're not speakers. Because speakers should be born to do it. Kasi, and then next one is, you should be eloquent enough to become a speaker. Hindi pwedeng trip mo lang, tas try mo lang. Kasi, ganito yun Katulad ng isang lalaking to na sumikat, naggrabe, na notorious, at infamous siya. Kasi bigla niya ako sinabihan, Mr. Speaks, because I'm Mr. Speaks as a speaker on social media. Sabi niya, Mr. Speaks, gusto ko maging katulad mo. Ang iniisip ko, kagad na reaction ko sa kanya is, wait, you cannot just decide that, okay? Kailangan pinanganak ka para magsalita. Kailangan yung bibig mo, yung brain cells mo, kailangan talagang equipped ka to think fast, yung gets mo ba? Na mag-explain ka eloquently, detailed, and, hindi pwedeng you're lost for words, ganyan. Hindi pwede. Kasi speaker nga So, paano mo ma-explain yung mga deep thoughts mo kung wala kang bokabularyo na madami-dami at mga metafora na magagamit mo kung hindi ka get. So, hindi ako nag-agree sa mga taong tinry lang or pinag-aralan. Kasi for me, kung pinag-aralan, you're a lecturer. You're an educator. Pero pag ang speaker, would you believe me, I never prepared for any speaking engagements I've done for the 29 years in my life. I've been through hundreds of schools and universities. I never prepare. As in, literal, I don't like preparing. Because why will I prepare for something that I will talk about that's inside me? My heart, my soul. Why will I prepare? I don't need a bullet point for speaking kasi I'm going to talk about what I'm passionate about. Why do I need a bullet point? I have the bullet point in my head. So, yon, mahirap to. Pero sige, go if you're really passionate about it. Malay mo, matrigger at lumabas naturally. Hindi naman ako nagpipigil sa mga ganon. Meron din kasing mga natitrigger lang. Tapos biglang they figure it out na, wow, lalabas yung truth nila na galing pala nila. Unless you're a freak like that, go.
Yes. Alam mo, direct totoo yan Kasi like for me, I'm handling a lot of people and I'm working in corporate and usually nagre-report kami. And ma-identify mo kasi talaga yung mga individuals na marunong magsalita.
Na kahit anong mangyari.
Kahit anong mangyari.
At saka ano kung pinakadelikado? Because it's a live show. Someone might raise their hand and ask you a curveball question. Pag ikaw hindi ready sa mga ganun, mapapahiya ka.
Yes.
So ako, sanay ako doon na tipong kahit na biglain mo akong, Mr. Speak, sabi mo kanina, pag gumagano na yung tao, excite ako Kasi, I know what I said, and I know what I'm talking about
Yes.
Kaya pag ako haawayan, excited ako doon. At ginaganon ako ng mga tao.
Yes.
And I have so far, never failed to answer eloquently and completely.
Yes. And very timely, Direk, kasi dinidiscuss ko to kagabi.
Ano sabi?
Dapat kasi when you are speaking, dapat alam mo siya kung saan talaga, yung kung saan lumalabas.
At saka kahit bali-balik na rin yung tanong, Kaya mo
Yes.
sagutin in a split second.
Yes, and hindi ka dapat nagbibase sa script.
Exactly.
Kasi kapag merong biglang lumabas sa question, bigla ka rin mawawala kasi wala sa siya sa script
Katulad ng
mo.
isang show,
Diba?
tinawagan ako ng organizer, sabi niya,
Mhm.
Mrs. Biggs, wala ka bang presentation? Wala ka bang PowerPoint?
Oo.
Sabi ko, ay, wala po eh. I don't need it. Tapos, na ano siya, parang, sigurado ka? Seryoso ka ba?
Mhm.
Sir, you're going to talk for 3 hours, ha?
Oo.
Mahirap yun. Sabi ko, exactly. You will see. Tomorrow,
Uh-huh.
I'll see you. Tapos after nung talk ko, biglang sabi niya sa akin, tama ka, Mr. Speaks, you don't need. You know what you're doing. So,
Diba?
kailangan ganon. Meaning, at the drop of a hat,
Mm.
dapat you will answer in any angle possible.
Yes. Pero ito direct may question ako. Kasi, di ba, should I say it? Kasi hindi lahat ng tao naiintindihan yung ganong perspective eh. Like,
Okay.
was there any instances na meron ka bang na-encounter na, uy, ano to, major na ano to, speaking, tapos wala kang ready? How do you handle yung mga ganong
Well,
rebuttal?
straight on. I'll just say them, watch.
Mhm.
Relax, watch me.
Mhm.
Ganon. Diretso lang. Kasi there's no way to prove it, but
Yes.
just speak na eh. Pero meron akong isang engagement na, pero malayo naman to sa ano, pero may ganitong nangyari sana. 5 minutes into my speech,
Mhm.
they asked me to stop and go home.
Oh.
Kasi hindi nila kaya yung ano ko. Yung truth ko, how I
Yes.
speak. So, these are nuns. So,
I see.
nakakatawa. Pero they paid me. So, they paid me, but they wanted me to stop and go home. So, ako, okay. Parang nakangiti lang ako kasi parang, okay, they can't handle the truth. Ano to, nothing against whatever. Basta nagkataon lang, mga made. Alam mo naman yung mga made, very sensitive. Grabe ako eh. So, alam ni Direk yan.
So, direct, ito lang naman, no? Kasi we're talking already about contents, eh, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi sabi nga natin, if you're really born to be a speaker, kusang lalabas yan, di ba?
Kusa.
Pero, personally speaking, no? Kasi syempre, before you, well, siguro hindi ka nag-prepare for this, pero alam mo kung ano yung sasabihin mo. But how did you prepare for the whole 29 years of public speaking?
None.
None talaga?
The preparation
Aha.
was because I spoke na.
Yes.
I've been speaking na. So, meaning I'm trained by my journey.
Mhm.
Hindi ako yung consciously na, kailangan ko mag-training. Hindi ako gumanon.
Mhm.
Pero, when I started when I was 14, syempre kinakabahan din ako noon.
Aha.
Nag-iisip din ako kung paano ko sisimulan. Gumanon din naman ako.
Mhm.
Pero, because I've been doing it, so
Mhm.
meaning, na-train ako ng panahon. Now, that is very important, Yung panahon na yan na training mo, that you should be willing to go through it. Na tipong, yes ka nang yes pag may opportunity to speak, para matrain ka ng sitwasyon.
Mhm.
So, I said yes and yes and yes and yes. I was invited by parishes around. Like I said, I started in churches. Yes ako ng yes, para mahasa ako.
Yes.
Now, when I became professional na, wala na. Na-train na ako ng panahon eh. So, yun yung
Correct.
training ko. Kasi
Mhm.
I really don't believe in literal training
Mhm.
for speaking.
Mhm.
Unless you're not a born speaker
Mhm.
and you want to learn, sige, go to a speaking school. Pero I don't believe so much in the power of that. Kasi kailangan pa rin ng kaluluwa mo, utak mo, pagkatao mo,
Mhm.
gets mo.
Ang ganda nun, no, Direk? It's like, kailangan talaga, kumbaga, you're very passionate of it.
Kailangan.
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng gusto lang.
Hindi,
Kailangan
oo.
you love it or you will die if you don't do it.
Mhm.
Kailangan ganung levels.
When did you realize, Direk, na hey, I've been doing this for the past 29 years, di ba? Pero kailan mo na-realize na, teka lang, kahit anong isa lang mo sa akin dyan,
Okay.
kaya ko to.
Nakakatawa to. You're going to enjoy. When I was little,
Mm.
I'm always told to shut up.
Okay.
As in, because I'm an opinionated child eh.
Mhm.
Lahat na lang nagtatanong ako. And so they always like, shh, you're just a kid, don't say anything.
Mhm.
Or huwag ka sumali dito sa conversation. Or, shh, go play. So I
Ah.
was always told to shut up. Now, in my intellectual mind, I was like, ganon Ayaw nyo akong sabi ng
Salita,
opinion ko at
oo.
magsalita. Sige. So what I did was, I had a sweet revenge in my head na, sige, I'll shut up.
Mhm.
But, what I did was I cooked everything in my head and inside me, and I told myself, I literally wrote this in my diary.
Mm.
Give me a place to stand and people to listen, and I will move the earth.
Wow.
I knew that when I
Uh-huh.
was 8.
Mhm.
And I wrote that in my diary. And I knew it na someday, somewhere, I'm going to talk.
Mhm.
I don't know when. I knew it and I felt it in my heart and soul and guts that I will be speaking for humanity.
Yes.
And I just didn't know
Mhm.
anong mangyari. And then, lo and behold, after a few decades,
Mm.
sumabog ako sa social media nang bigla-bigla, walang kaabog-abog. Alam ni Direk Rodelia na bigla na lang overnight, I did 2 billion views
Yes,
roughly
oo.
in 3 days.
Mhm.
And I'm the only one who did it that way.
Mhm.
And people always ask me, Mr. Speaks, paano mo ginawa? Wala akong ginawa.
Mm.
I was just like this all my life and I was ready. And now when it happened, then it was worthy
Ito na siya.
of the moment.
Yes.
Kasi there is no way that we can create a video na mag-viral eh.
Correct.
There is no way na sadyain yon.
Mhm.
It's like saying, tara, let's win the lottery tomorrow.
Mhm.
Hindi yon kayang gawin. So, just speak your truth. So that's my answer.
Mm.
How did you do it? I spoke my truth.
Yes.
Kinagat.
Aha.
Tapos tumambling lahat. 46 countries listening to me the
Diba?
next day. So, wala, hindi ko sinasadya. Ganun talaga nangyari.
Mhm.
So, because nga, I was prepared by the panahon.
Mhm. Actually, that's my next question, no, Direk. Ano yung iniisip mo during that time when you created this viral video?
Wala. Kasi ano siya, it was a talk that was
Mhm.
produced by my tita-titahan. Yun na naman
Mm-mm.
tayo, Filipinos. We have many titas. So, she produced my talk kasi she loved that I was Mr. Speaks. So,
Mm.
nasa sa BGC yun eh. Sa fully booked sa ilalim, yung U-View.
You.
Hello,
Yes.
fully booked at BGC. I miss you. Sila ang dahilan kung ba't pinanganak si Mr. Speaks.
Mhm.
Because dun sa talk na yun, I was just talking about personality development. Pero biglang may pasaway na girl na nagtanong about love and relationship. Yun na. Tapos biglang may video team caught the moment. And then yung moment na yun, inedit, yun yung pinost ko, yun yung sumabog.
Sumabog, no? Tignan mo
Oo.
na nga naman, di ba? Out of nowhere.
Aksidente lang hindi ko sinasadya.
Kumbaga, you just pick kung ano yung alam mo na nanggaling sa'yo talaga.
Oo.
Your idea. No,
Correct.
ilabas mo lang siya. Then kung if it would,
Hindi
kung
ko pinano
papatakpan
yun
ka
ha,
siya.
na okay, i-capture nyo to ha,
Yes.
mag-uusap ako tungkol sa ligaw ha. Wala. As in, spur of the moment siya.
Yes, very spontaneous.
Oh, spontaneous.
That's the term.
Kasi, pasaway siya kasi the topic was personality development. But she asked about relationships.
Yes.
So, pinatulan ko siya that moment. The
Mhm.
cameras were with her kasi cute. Maganda kasi. So, the boys were like, nakatutok sa kanya.
Mm-mm.
So, nagkataon, bumanat ako sa kanya. So, na-capture yung buong moment. So, it was a 2-minute video that started all.
At hindi siya inaasahan, direct ha?
Hindi
Kasi
talaga.
ibang topic out of
As
nowhere
in,
talaga. And because of that, you're now Mr. Speak, di ba?
Grabe,
Yan.
hindi ako nakakalabas ng basta-basta nung panahon na yun.
Mhm.
That was 2017.
Mhm.
So, it's been 8 years, 9 na yata. Nagkaroon ako ng peak na talagang superstar
Mhm.
with all humility. Superstar mode. Yung tipong kailangan nila tawagan yung barangay para makalabas ako ng theater.
Mhm.
Ganong level. So, parang ako wow. So, nangyayari pala siya.
Yes.
Yung ganong klaseng fame just for one little thing.
Mhm.
Kaya ngayon ang dami ng mga sikat, which my next topic is, ang daming nagkiklaim na influencers na hindi naman sila influencers.
Actually, I'm curious about that, no, Direk. Ikaw ba, on your personal opinion, how would you say ng isang influencer ay talagang influencer?
Pag yung intention niya is to change humanity, literally.
Mhm.
Pag yun yung talagang intention, bakit siya nag-i-exist sa social media? Pero kung ang intention mo, nag-i-exist ka lang sa social media kasi gusto mo sumikat at gusto mong kumita, hindi ka influencer, excuse me. Talaga, this is Mr. Speaks. You cannot fight me about this. You cannot fight me about this. Because, no way. Because for example, I'll not drop a name. This guy who's so famous, and all he does are pranks.
Mhm.
And, sorry for another word, but blank stuff.
Mhm.
So what are you influencing people for?
Mhm.
what are you influencing people about? To be a prankster? What's dapat ang purpose mo is for the furtherance of humanity.
Yes,
Hindi
agree.
pwedeng, tsaka ganito kung dancer ka, wag mong sabihin you're an influencer. Sabihin mo that you're a dancer
Mhm.
and you're inspiring people. That's different from your purpose is to make people realize to dance and express and live their life like dancers and die like dancers.
Mhm.
Unless yun talaga ang pakay ng videos mo. Hindi yung flex ka lang dyan kasi ang lupit mo sa mayaw. Iba kasi yun, guys.
Yes.
So,
Uh-huh.
I don't understand why people just loosely claim to be influencers.
Mhm.
Para mong sinabing doktor ka, tas nurse ka lang.
Correct.
Hindi yung lang, hindi derogatory yun.
Mhm.
That just puts you in the right place.
Yes.
Lang. Nurse ka, lang. Hindi ka surgeon, hindi ka specialty doc, you're a nurse. So,
Mhm.
hindi porket nurse ka, doktor ka na. So,
Mhm.
hindi porket nasa social media ka and you inspire people to dance, you're an influencer. It's
Yes.
loosely used there. And I'm sure
Yes.
marami magalit dito. Pero, guess what? I'm not bothered. Because this is a painful truth that
Mhm.
you guys are just reacting painfully. And I understand.
Yes. Yeah, and actually, I am with you with that, no, Derek. Kasi from the term itself, kaya nga siya influencer eh.
Kasi intentional yung work.
Yes, you influence the people.
Yun talaga dapat ang
Aha.
impetus mo, yung real reason. Hindi yung kita. Hindi.
Mhm.
And guess what? Mayabang talaga ako dyan. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit po?
David, hindi ako kumita kahit piso.
Mhm.
But I'm the only viral guy in the country.
Mhm.
Facebook told me this,
Mhm.
na you're the only. Uulitin ko, I'm the only. Ako lang. Pero di ba ang alam natin ang daming viral?
Yes.
No, hindi yan totoo. I am technically, legitly the only viral guy.
Viral
Why?
guy.
What
Mhm.
does viral mean? Viral means 100% organic.
Mhm.
Harapan mo ako ng Pilipinong magsasabi sa mukha ko na 100% organic sila.
Mhm.
Wala. Kasi 99.99% of all of them paid, boosted, promoted,
Mhm.
may bots, ako, zero.
Mhm.
You can really see it in my algorithm. I'm 100% organic.
Yes.
Wala akong ginawang
Walang
ano.
intervention.
My shares are
Uh-huh.
million ang shares ko. Ang hirap kaya mag 100 shares.
Actually.
Alam mo yan, yung million pa,
Mhm.
wala akong ginawa. I just literally posted it.
Mhm.
So, kaya hindi ako mayabang guys, it's a fact eh.
Yes.
I am the only 100% organic viral guy in the country.
Mhm.
Period. So, but I give, I take my hat off to yung mga nag-viral. Sige, go.
Virals, yes.
Kaya lang, hanggang kailan yan at ano ipag-iabang mo sa apo mo?
Yes.
Anong ginawa mo? Ba't ka
Uh-huh.
nag-viral?
Nag-boost, ganyan.
Most likely,
Uh-huh.
it's a stupid thing
Mhm.
or a funny thing or something light. Pero wala yung for humanity's sake.
Mhm.
Bihira yan. Hindi ako nagrereklamo. Hindi ako bayad. Wala akong
Mhm.
perang kinuha kahit saan.
Mhm.
Tapos nagalit yung mga tao sa akin kasi, ay sayang, sana kumita, sana mayaman ka na. Ay, wala naman akong pakialam kumita.
Uh-huh.
I did this because I wanted to share my thoughts
Yes.
to humanity. I did not want to earn. I did not want to be famous.
Mhm.
I don't need to be famous. I already am.
Mhm.
So, mayabang siya, tunog.
Mhm.
Pero sa totoo lang, humbly speaking, yun talaga ang truth.
Yes. It's kasi parang ano yan eh, if you do something pero wala na mga siyang technically ambag with the society, para saan yun yung video na yun, di ba? And you can claim the term influencer if you're not influencing people, di ba? Kaya nga influencer on the first place. Yan. Sige, Direk, sorry, ikakat muna kita
Sige,
ha.
go.
Balik lang tayo sa
Ano
comment
sabi?
section. Kasi
May
feeling ko
nagagalit na
marami
ba?
Ayan, tignan natin. Ayan. Sige.
Ayun.
Tignan na, ayan, sige baba, Papits. Ayan, thank you. Ayan. May question po dito si Mami Rachel Pulion. Direk, are you open for collaboration daw with other directors?
As in, I'm excited. Let's go. Tell them I want to work with them. Kasi collaborating,
Mm.
actually pag artist ka, dapat hindi ka nakasarado.
Yes.
Hindi ka mayabang. No, dapat you're game to collaborate because that's sharing each other's brilliance and then may creating bigger craft. Di ba? Ba't ka
Yes.
madamot? Ba't gusto mo ikaw
Correct.
lang? Di ba?
Aha.
So game, tara. Excited ako now na. Bukas, tara game.
Ayan, Mami Ray, ready daw po si Direk anytime for collaboration. Well, isingit ko na rin to, Direk, ha?
Yeah.
Before tayo pumunta dyan, kasi
Sige.
alam ko marami pang nandito sa comment section.
Sige, go.
Kasi balita ko, meron kang impossible, quote-unquote, impossible project na
Oo.
nakaplano right now.
Sobrang impossible siya.
Mm.
Kasi, okay, to put fast lang na story, pandemic, may tumawag na babae, Pilipina, galing Amerika, pinasulat ako ng, pina-check ako ng script, tapos sabi ko pangit, tapos I took it upon myself to write it, a sample lang, sample 8 pages, biglang tumawag na, and then suddenly I found myself finishing the script na, and then yung pala, for a Hollywood project pala siya.
Wow!
I will not name the project, but
Aha.
it was for a third part of a film that's super sikat.
Mhm.
It was supposed to be my script. Tapos, habang sinusulat ko yon, they were breathing down my neck saying, oh, dapat dapat ganito yan. Dapat maraming characters, dapat yung buong lore. Kasi when you Google it, wala palang lore behind it. So, I created the whole lore. Because when I was 17, I created my own lore. So now, nung may chance akong ilagay lahat ng akin at sinambit, hindi umastig. They loved it. They wanted to greenlight it with Universal Pictures.
Wow!
They wanted to fly me to meet them.
Mhm.
Biglang they wanted to pay me lang.
Mhm.
Tapos babay na. Alam mo naman yun. Buong buhay ko yun, 30 years of work in my mind, creating that whole lore, creating the language, creating the writing form, creating the sign language of it. Ano ba? Tapos bibigay ko lang dahil sa 19 million pesos. Pag bumili ako ng bahay at kotse, ubos yun eh.
Ubos, correct. Oo.
But there goes my baby.
Mm.
There goes my life work. No way. So, nag-no ako. Hindi natuloy sa Hollywood. Pero suportado ako ng mga Hollywood people of that movie. And then they know I'm creating it here. And I call it the Impossible Project because ang daming nag-no sa akin. As in, I want to name them all, but wag. Basta ang daming stasyon ng TV na nag-no. Kasi ang sabi nila, imposible, walang papatol dyan, walang gagawa yan, hindi yan kaya ng Pilipino. Sabi ko, kaya yan. Until I found everybody that said yes to me, from the sound design to the special effects team to all of them. Ang kulang ko na lang, as in literal, funds to make it all happen. But now I'm in the verge of creating the trailer para mapatulan at makita at mag-umpisa ng gawin to. So nagkaroon ako ng press con. Tumambling yung mga press at excited sila lahat at pinag-uusapan na ngayon siya ng hush-hush sa industriya na sinong gagawa niyan? Sinong natisod niya na umuo dyan? So, doon ako excited kasi excited ako patunayan na ang Pilipinas kayang gumawa ng ganyan na hindi natin kailangan yung Hollywood people.
Correct.
So, I want to disturb the system and prove that Filipinos are better than they think that we
Pero
are.
alam mo, Direk, I'm very intrigued din kasi nung nakita ko lang yung moving poster mo kanina, no, yung for this your planning na movie, no. And it's something.
It's a telemovie. It's a series.
Oh, series
It's a
siya.
5-season
Okay.
series, 10 episodes each season. So it's a high fantasy movie, telemovie. It's like pero hindi siya malapit. Pero it's like Game of Thrones pero mas malala.
Mas malala.
Tapos walang
Okay.
tao.
Pwede mo ba kaming bigyan ng konting, bulong lang? Ano bang story nito? Ano bang...
Okay, it's about a renegade prince
Okay.
na in love siya sa mga tao. Kasi walang tao dito, it's all elementals. So talagang
okay.
todo magical, the spirits, the gods of ganto. Ganun siya. Tapos this prince, pasaway siya kasi ayaw niyang sumunod na maging king. Pero in love siya sa mga tao. Tapos lahat sila galit, yung elementals galit sa mga tao kasi sinisira nila ang mundo. Apektado yung mga elementals. Yun yung story.
Ang ganda.
So they will teach humanity a lesson na why are you destroying Earth? Kasi I created a world na ito yung Earth, tas ito yung Thera. So what happens on Earth happens in Terra.
In Terra,
So pag
okay.
sinira mo yung ocean dito, masira ocean dito. So
Mhm.
naapektuhan yung mga Terrans, yung mga elementals.
Oh,
So nagkakamatayan
okay.
sila, blah blah blah, because of us.
Mhm.
So galit sila sa humanity. And this prince wants to teach a lesson.
Wow.
Yun yung buong ano na.
Uh-huh.
Pero it's all drama, politics, adventure, love, betrayal,
Mhm.
pain, adventure, etc.
Wow. I'm very excited na direct. Hopefully makita natin yan soon.
Oo nga, supportan nyo ako at may
Diba?
kilala kayo na gusto magbato ng pera na walang magawa. Dito niya na ibato at let's make a difference in the world.
Yes, kasi hearing pa lang direct no, from the story that you have shared, no, parang may pagka-sci-fi ito. Is
So,
it full-
high fantasy.
high fantasy
Oo.
talaga?
Ang
So,
sci-fi kasi mga aliens, robots, spaceship,
Aha.
wala. Wala akong spaceship. Wala akong aliens. They're all elemental.
elemental.
Grounded.
Okay.
Ano.
So if ever ba, direct, are we going to expect a lot of CGI dito?
Super, syempre. Pero
Mm.
we want real people. I want
Mm.
real actors. Pero alam mo na kung paano ginagawa yan. Basta mukha nila lahat. Pero
Mm.
lahat. Kasi gumagalaw yung costumes ko. Kasi nga they're
Wow.
organic. So yung mga
Mm.
designs, magalaw sila every minute, every second.
Wow.
So wala, hindi to
Mhm.
simple. At saka, never been seen in the world. Because I'm a film buff. I know what's not done yet.
Yes.
So far now, the highest is Avatar.
Mhm.
Pero ito, hindi to katulad ng Avatar at all.
Oh.
So,
Alam mo yung direct yung naiisip ko siya, yung ini-envision ko siya from what you are saying na gumagalaw yung mga costumes mo and
lahat yung tattoo
everything.
nila sa skin
Yes,
gumagalaw
parang
habang
may pagka-
nagsasalita.
May pagka-avant-garde ba ang...
Oo, super. Like,
Ay.
as in weird stuff.
Mhm.
Pero grand and majestic and
Yes.
art talaga, art galore.
Aha.
Oo.
Parang may pagka-Mockingjay ang dating nung
Na mas
mga
malala,
costume
times
na
times 10 na
Wow.
version. Kasi I'm an avant-garde designer.
Mhm.
I'm an international fashion designer. So ibubuhos ko lahat ng costume at pagiging designer ko dito.
Wow.
Oo.
I'm very excited, Derek. Sana makakuha
Thank
ka
you.
agad ng fun.
Guys, tulungan nyo ako. Baka may tito kayo, may tita kayo, may whatever kayo na konti lang. And then,
Aha.
we just need to make the trailer first para itong mga milyonaryong nag-aabang makita at least, yan ba? Tara, gusto ko yan. Let's fund
Mhm.
it. Yung trailer. Kasi that's what we need to show na kaya yung vision ko.
Yes.
Kasi di ba natatakot sila na magbigay ng pera kasi baka hindi kaya
Hindi
eh.
kaya.
So I want to
oo.
prove it using the trailer and to really honestly say, I need lang 500,000 pesos to create that 2-minute trailer para mapakita sa mga funders na nakaabang na ganito siya kalala.
Mhm.
Para magustuhan nilang i-fund yung first
Yes.
episode. Ganon.
And I think it's time to, well,
Na Pilipino.
nothing taken against naman with the creations of, yung dito, yung local natin, no? Pero I think it's something na
It's
pwede
time to next
mag-uplift.
level.
Yes.
To next level it. If
Mhm.
anything, hindi ko sasagasaan. I will uplift everybody
Mhm.
to realize that we can next level everything we do.
Yes.
At ako lang ang nagtapang gumawa. Kasi
Mhm.
nga, ang daming nag-no nga.
Mhm.
Literal yung script ko, binato lang sa akin. Wag
Mhm.
na. Ganun. So talagang, unang basa pa lang nila, ang laki-laki nito, Manu, hindi to kaya. Ganun kaagad yung reaction.
Mhm.
Bakit nalulungkot ako na bakit hindi pwedeng, tara, gawin natin to.
Mhm.
Bakit hindi ganun?
Mhm.
Kaya I'm challenging dun sa press con ko, I'm challenging the Filipinos to join me and make this happen.
Mhm.
Because ngayon, tumutulong na tayo sa Oscars, ha?
Yes.
They are
Oo.
on us. Their eyes
Right.
are on us.
Mhm.
So why not do it now?
Yes.
Na nakatingin sila lahat.
Exactly,
Mm-mm.
'di ba? Subukan natin, 'di ba?
Yes.
Kung papatok siya, mali mo ito yung
Hindi
bring
natin
up
malalaman
the industry.
until we do it, eh.
Oo. Correct.
Diba? So many people are saying, paano kung kaya nga, gawin na kaya muna natin.
Mm.
Para malaman natin kung hindi kaya.
Yes.
Kasi I'm like that as a designer also.
Mhm.
I don't say hindi until I do it and then hindi kaya.
Exactly.
Ganun.
'Di ba? Kumbaga i-try mo muna before you say no, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kakat ko muna ulit direct ha.
Tingin
Kasi
tayo sa mga comment.
kanina ang haba pa ng comment section natin. So tignan lang natin.
May nakita ako na kung if I direct daw short films for students. Yes.
Ayan.
Yes, I have
From Kuya
directed
Dan.
a
Yeah.
lot and actually suki ako dyan
Mm.
na I direct short films for students and or act in them.
Mhm.
Kasi
As an
mahilig ako
actor.
dyan, as an actor.
Mhm.
So suki ako dyan, so game ako dyan, tara, chat us at coffee. Tara. Game na ako. Tell me the schedule.
Pag-usapan
Yeah,
natin
pag-usapan
yan.
natin. Magkita tayo sa Starbucks. Pag-usapan natin.
Okay, another question po rito from Elijah. Hello po, Direk. Question po, how do you handle difficult audience during speech?
Direkta lang.
Mhm.
Kung nyari biglang, meron ako, nag-host ako, tapos biglang, ang init naman dito. Tapos ang sabi ko lang agad, ma'am, lahat tayo dito, 3,000 people naiinitan. What do you want me to do? Ganun lang. Real lang.
Totoo
Real
naman.
reaction. Hindi ako
Diba?
naaasar.
Uh-uh.
Na-excite nga ako eh, pag challenge ako eh. Pero may sagot ako dyan kaagad.
Mm.
Sa mga ganun. So, hindi mo siya, pero may mga times na papatulan mo in an intellectual sense.
Mhm.
Hindi patulan mo na awayin mo.
Yes.
Hindi, patulan mo in an intellectual sense. Yung binato nila, bato mo pabalik.
Mhm.
So, ma'am, what do you want me to do? Maglabas po ako ng electric fan for you, just for you.
Mm.
Ganon. Kasi it was an open space, tapos nainitan daw siya.
Mm.
Eh, lahat naman nainitan. And it was a
Correct.
dolphin show.
Yes.
So, I was talking. Gusto niya magkaroon ng electric fan.
Aha.
Siya. So, parang ako, di ba? Tiis-tiis lang for this 40-minute show. Ano ba?
Yes,
Ganon.
correct.
So, ano lang, real talk.
Mhm.
Tapos minsan, wag mo nang pansinin.
Mhm.
Kasi wala naman sila magagawa sa'yo kundi istorbohin kayo. Ngayon,
Mhm.
kung nagpapa-istorbo ka, may istorbo ka.
Ikaw din natalo
Correct.
eh, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Yan. So, kapag mga ganyang situation, you handle it intellectually.
Intellectually. Wag kang bargas or papatol. Wag. Unless ready ka na tanggapin yung balik niya sa'yo,
May nangyari bang ganun sa'yo, Direk?
wala naman so far.
So far, okay.
But there's a weird thing that happened to me.
Uh-huh.
A woman asked for the mic and then she just said one sentence. Bakit ka ganyan, Mr. Speaks? Nagulat lang ako, ang weird na, anong ba't ganyan? Sabi ko sa kanya, anong kasalanan ko sa'yo? Tapos yun, tapos she said something really astig and it was, na-touch ako. So, yun pala, yun yung meaning niya, positively pala.
Positive
Hindi
pala.
yung, ba't ka
Okay.
ganyan? Hindi, ano pala, ba't ka ganyan? Nagtataka lang siya.
Mm.
Pero ang weird lang nung moment. Oo.
I just wanted to connect that na direct, no. Was there a time na may tinanong yung audience sa'yo but out of nowhere wala kang maibigay na sagot?
Sorry, wala eh.
Mm.
Because I also train beauty queens and pageant people how to answer a difficult question.
Aha.
Here's the thing. Answering a difficult question that you don't know, you can still answer.
Mhm.
By answering that you don't know.
Mhm. That's a good answer.
Na intellectually, ha?
Yes.
Hindi yung, ay, hindi ko alam eh.
Aha.
Hindi. Gandahan mo na, ma'am, 29 years of speaking, I have never encountered that question ever, and it is not in my turf. Maybe someday I'll get back to you and have an answer for that.
Mm.
Maybe you have another question that you want. Ganon.
Mm.
Sumagot ka, pero hindi ka loser mode na,
Yes.
hindi ko alam eh, hindi ka gets.
Yes.
Answer anyway, pero yung topic mo na is kung paano mo siya hindi alam.
Mhm.
Sagutin. At ayaw mo mag-fake at mag-alam-alaman.
Yes.
So, ganun magsagot.
Alam mo, Direk, very relatable yan sa amin, no? Kasi there are times talaga na out of nowhere magugulat ka, may question ka na hindi mo alam kung paano siya sasagutin, no?
Tapos ngayon napipilitan ka kasi gusto mo maging cool.
Yes.
Wag. Be truthful, not
Yes.
cool.
Correct.
Not cool, truthful. Ay,
Yes.
sorry ma'am, di ko alam yan.
Mm.
First time ko lang na-encounter yung question na yan. Be truthful and humble to accept that you
Yes.
don't know.
Mm.
Huwag kang magpakulat, magpakaastig that you know every answer to every question.
Correct. Kumbaga, okay, pwede mo naman i-park yung question eh.
Oo,
Pero
parang
I'll get
sabihin,
back to you, di ba?
kausapin ko lang yung mga Diyos ko at babalikan kita. Pwede, you can make it
Diba?
humorous.
Yes.
You can make it, oh no, ma'am. Kayo po, pwede mo nga ibalik. Kayo po, ano sa tingin mo ang ganto-ganto?
Mhm.
Balik mo. At least, astig na nabalik mo, tapos siya yung masistress, hindi ikaw. That's a
Totoo.
very cool way to do
Oo.
it. Pag may tinanong sa'yo, mahirap.
Mhm. Just be true.
Yeah.
Kung hindi mo alam, hindi talaga, di ba?
Tapos balik mo.
Balik mo na lang.
Ikaw, ma'am. Try mo ngang sagutin to, ma'am. I'm curious. Ganon.
Di ba? Ayan, nakapulot ako ng technique today. Kapag may mga questions na hindi ko masagot, ayan. So, Peter, sorry, balik tayo sa mga comments kasi I think meron pa tayong mga
Hello.
comments dyan eh. Yeah, let's see. Oh, that's actually the last comment pala on our comment section.
Thank you for those who are asking, okay?
Yes. And guys, if meron pa kayong mga follow-up question, you may still drop it on the comment section. Babasahin natin na itatanong natin kay Direk Manu.
Go.
Ayan.
Kahit mahirap, let's go.
Direk, I've heard that you have an advocacy right now. Can you tell us about your advocacy?
Because the whole world is in chaos.
Mhm.
Alam natin yan. As in, grabe. So now I'm thinking, you know what? Wala naman tayong magagawa to stop the war.
Mhm.
But I think may magagawa to stop and speak out about it.
Mhm.
Not for now. We may not live to see the day na titigil ang war.
Mhm.
Pero why should we speak up now? It's for the future generations.
Yes.
Kasi yun yung problema natin ngayon. Ngayon, kaya hindi tumigil yung war. Kasi may mga nag-shut up dati, generations before us, na nag-shut up sila at hindi sila nagsalita. Kaya hanggang ngayon, we're suffering the result of that. Na nag-shut up yung mga tao. Kasi natakot sila magsalita, baka awayin sila or magalit yung whatever. So ngayon, we're still suffering the war now. So for me, I don't want to do that for the future generations. I want to speak up now, kahit na hindi to for the war now, but let's stop the war and realize it's destroying humanity for generations
Yes.
after. Para
Correct.
after 100 years, mapag-uusapan na may tao or may mga tao nag-care, magsalita. Kaya wala ng war ngayon, guys. It's because of them 100 years ago. Ganon ang gusto kong legacy ko.
Correct.
Kaya I'm doing it, and then it happens to be a song. It's called Stop the War. You can know it in Spotify now and YouTube. It's a music video with my cousin. I happen to be his cousin, and he's a famous masked singer. He's a mysterious singer. His name is Maximum. Siya nagsulat nito, siya kumanta, tapos nag-spoken word ako inside the song.
Wow.
Because I believed in the song. Ang ganda ng song, guys. It's Stop the War. And grabe siya, and we will not stop until we make a difference. We may not change the war now and stop the war now, but let's start the movement.
Yes.
Kasi matagal na trabaho to
Exactly.
convince everybody not to go to war. Ano ba, guys? Mahirap siya. Kaya gawin na natin now. So, it will take time kasi. So, please support us. The Stop the War project, the movement, please, let's share to everybody. And we have merch. I will share to you the links para pag na-post natin to, share natin yung links nung movement namin at saan mabibili yung mga stickers ng Stop the War, yung t-shirt, yung hoodies, yung caps ng Stop the War. And this is to fund the project mismo. Kasi the project, we plan to go to, let's say Rizal Park, and then gather 1 million Filipinos na hindi magsasalita. Imagine 1 million Filipinos there, silent for an hour, parang Earth Day.
Yes.
1 hour of silence to tell everybody as a protest, a silent protest, na just silent, everybody there telling the world to stop this. Tapos may movie lang ng karahasan ng war na naka-silent, and people can be crying watching it. And then after the hour, biglang tutugtog tong Stop the War
Stop
namin.
the war.
So, kilabot siya moment. And then after that song, tapos na lahat. Walang concert, wala. It's the silent protest of humanity. Now, pwedeng kopyahin to. Pwedeng gawin sa Amerika, pwedeng gawin sa Japan, sa Australia, Africa, pwede siyang gawin. Yun yung gusto namin maging at gusto namin to sa gobyerno at sa even we can go as far as Guinness World Record na gathering of the most gathering of people na tahimik.
Yes.
Tapos it's a silent protest. So Stop the War, guys. Please, let's start sharing this na may mga stickers to, may mga merch kami. Let's tell everybody, bulungan natin lahat ng mga tao na let's stop this. And what war? All of it.
Yes.
From the wars of countries, governmental and whatever, political. The war in your mind, the war in your heart, the war in your soul, the war, every war.
all kinds of
All
war.
kinds of war.
Yeah.
War between friends, war
Mm.
between families. Yun ang point namin.
Yes. Which is
So,
actually
malaki siya.
Yes. And ano, direct no, i-add ko lang no kasi war, kahit saan mo siyang tignan angulo, it would bring chaos. Di ba?
Sobra. Ano ba resulta ng war?
Di ba? It's
Tapos
really
the
chaos.
casualties of war pa.
Mhm.
Mga namamatay ng mga bata, mga namamatay
Mhm.
ng mga babae, women, men, families na hindi naman kasali sa gulo nyo.
Mhm. Nadadamay.
Ganon.
Exactly.
So, I'm not political.
Mhm.
It's real.
Mhm.
This is a humanity issue.
Yes.
It's not a governmental issue. It's not a political issue. It's a humanity issue. Kamusta naman ang mga pagkatao nyo?
Yes.
Yun yung gusto namin sabihin. At yun ang aking advocacy until I die.
Mhm.
Stop the war so that generations after, they will be able to talk about us.
Yes.
Who promoted this? Huwag tayo mag-shut up.
Yes.
So, please tanggalin niyo yung song. Stop the War, YouTube, Spotify.
Mhm.
Promise, ang lala nito. Nakakakilabot to. Kasi
Mhm.
gawa ng Pinoy. Sulat ng Pinoy, gawa ng Pinoy.
Yes.
And let's start to stop the war in the Philippines and inspire the rest of the world.
Mhm.
Yun yung advocacy.
Correct. Totoo lang yan. Let's stop the war and spread love and peace instead, di ba?
Start to love.
Mhm.
Stop the war, start to love.
It's very cliche, no? Kasi parati natin
Pero-
sinasabi yan na peace for everyone and all. Pero yun talaga yung kailangan.
Yun ang problema eh. Cliché, so therefore, parang tinatawanan, lumalagpas lang, pinapabayaan. Hindi nga eh. Ironically, it's cliché but it's the most serious thing ever
Yes.
na hindi binibigyan ng pansin ng humanity.
Mhm.
Guys, dapat nga eh, kung narinig nyo to, dapat nga ang dali mag 2 million, 3 million, 10 million Filipinos
Mhm.
na silent eh. Kasi dapat lahat tayo, tara! Dapat
Yes.
hindi siya, we don't need convincing to do this, guys. Hindi ba kayo affected ng war? Hindi
Mhm.
ba? Lahat kaya.
Mhm.
Kaya nga tumaas ang gasolina.
Correct.
Lahat eh, kasi sa war eh.
Mhm.
And war is business.
Yes. Totoo yan, no?
So
Direk?
let's kill this business
Yes.
and start businessing humanity.
yes.
We should business humanity,
Mhm.
not your bulsa and your companies and everything else.
Mhm. Yes, so totoo yan, guys. Let's not be selfish and let's stop the war, di ba?
Lahat for everybody naman to, hindi lang naman to for us eh.
Mhm.
Na kami, tayo. Hindi, this is for everybody.
Correct.
And it will take time nga kasi. Ang
Yes.
tagal pa nito.
Oo.
So tara na, simulan na natin.
Mhm. Yun, it would really
At
take
saka ganda ng
years.
song nakakakilabot. Guys, please, I swear, try. Try lang. Silipin nyo lang.
Mhm. And since, Direk, sorry, medyo babaliin ko lang ng konti,
Go.
no? Since we're talking already about songs, no? Stop the War is one of the songs na we're really promoting because this is a part of your advocacy.
Yes.
But I've heard na meron ka pang isang song na entitled
Oh, yeah.
Snow Sugarcoat, tama ba?
No sugarcoat. Because, because I'm Mr. Speaks.
Mhm.
So finally, gumawa ako ng theme song ko.
Mhm.
Yung talagang pang... I want to create a speak con. Meaning a speak concert.
Mhm.
Meaning magsasalita ako with thousands of people and then habang nagsasalita ako, kumakanta din, nagkakaroon ng production. Tapos ito yung beginning song ko, opening song ko. Ito yung theme song ko.
Mhm.
I wrote this and composed by my cousin and me. And then I'm going to record this in Dolby Atmos soon. So, pero meron na akong sample. Ayun, I sent you guys. So,
Mhm.
baka napapakinggan nyo siya ngayon.
Yeah.
So, it's a Mr. Speaks call out na Mr. Speaks, you can never silence Mr. Speaks.
Mm.
And I talk about na let's be truthful, let's go for what we really believe in, and a king is never made by sitting on a throne.
Throne, yes.
Kumikilos yan.
Yes,
Hindi
correct.
yan, ang hari, hindi nakaupo lang.
Mhm.
Yung trono, symbolism lang yan. Hindi yan inuupuan.
Mhm.
Symbolism lang yan ng greatness mo.
Mhm.
So, yun yung ng kanta. And I really believe in inspiring everybody to be the king of their own lives.
Mhm.
And start to not sugarcoat things.
Mhm.
Ito ang problema ng Pilipino. We love sugarcoating things.
Yes.
Why? Sa tingin mo, bakit tayo nag-sugarcoat ng things?
Well, ako personally, kasi I think I fear na magkamali ako.
Okay.
That's one. Mhm.
Marami.
Mhm.
But the main reason is, para wala na ng gulo.
Mhm.
Para walang gulo.
Sige, bigay ko na.
Or para hindi masaktan. Para walang magalit. Pero actually, ironically, para walang magalit, lalo kang magkakos ng galit.
Galit.
Kasi pinabaya mong mangyari
Mhm.
ang mga hindi dapat mangyari.
Mhm.
Sinusugarcoat mo eh.
Yes.
Pinabayaan mo yung tao maging mali. Kasi sinugarcoat mo, hindi mo dinerecho na mali ka. So, you know, we can't. We have to speak our truth. No sugarcoating para nakalatag na kagad ang katotohanan, whether pangit o hindi.
Mhm.
May isang movie nga nagsabi, di ba? Can you handle the truth?
Yes.
Tapos, ang ganyan talaga ang Pilipino eh. Para wala ng gulo. Pero actually, you're creating more gulo.
Yes.
Sa dulo.
Tinatago mo kasi. Instead
So,
you
nag-shut
just
up
say
ka
it.
ngayon, pero mas malaking gulo pag sa ending.
Yes.
Kasi you shut up now. So, lalaki yan at kukulo. Tapos pag sumabog,
Malaki na siya.
malaki na siya. So, yung purpose mo kung ba't ka nag-shut up, walay din.
Mhm.
Kasi lumaki pa. So, if I were you, wag tayo yung mentality na para walang gulo. Hindi, sabihin nyo na, para tumigil na, now na.
Yes.
Yung mga mali. So, no sugarcoating. So, yun yung title, no sugarcoat. But, I wanna change it kasi parang ang technical masyado nung title. No sugarcoating.
Uh-huh.
Parang, someday, I'm going to change it into a more creative Pero for now, that's the title, no sugarcoat. But it's a very powerful sound. Astig yung pinsan ko mag-compose and ang ganda. I'm excited to really record it sa Dolby Atmos.
Yes. I was actually listening to it and most probably our audiences or our viewers right
Sana
now.
nagustuhan nyo.
Yes, naririnig nila ngayon sa background, no?
Um,
And siguro let's give them 5 seconds to appreciate the sound, the audio.
Go.
Yan.
Listen. Mr. Speaks here. Pain is the price of your clarity. Break who you were.
Okay. O, di ba?
Ako
hearing
yun.
it
Ako
from
yung
here,
voice ko yun. Voice ko yun.
Hearing it from here, yung may ano siya nakakatindig ng balahibo talaga. Kasi, well, how should I say it? When I heard it first time, hindi siya yung usual na song natin na pag Pilipino, ang kanta dapat ganito. Dapat ganito.
Hindi,
yung
ano siya?
depth niya,
Well,
ganito lang.
because I'm European eh. So, my sense and sensibility is European. So,
Yes.
I write like that. So, ano to parang, truth does not whisper and it screams when you're weak.
Yes.
So, ganun siya eh. So,
Yung theme niya, when I was hearing it, nung pinapakinggan ko siya kanina direct, no, para siyang para siyang theme song ng isang European play.
yeah, para
Ganyan
siyang
siya.
pang Broadway,
Pang
musical
Broadway,
na main
yan.
song. And then, para din siyang pang movie, pang movie score, ganyan. So, you can use it, guys. You can change the title and whatever, pero usap tayo.
Diba? And I'm very excited, direct na lalo na if you're, release na to, no? Tama ba?
Not yet.
Not yet, okay.
Ano to, teaser to para lang marinig nyo ngayon. Pero
Okay.
I'm still about to really record it ng himay-himay para ma-Dolby, para ma-master.
Per instrument, no?
Oo,
para
ganun.
ma-mix pa siya
Correct.
further. Ayan. Yeah, I'm very excited, direct, no? Kapag nilabas mo to. Kasi, honestly, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, iba talaga yung theme niya eh. Kumbaga, hindi siya yung usual na song. Yung bang mapapaisip ka na, wow, teka lang, parang may sinasabi ka agad yung kanta pa lang.
Thank you.
Yun.
And that's what I really hope to do because nga, I'm a radical metaphysicist. That's what I call myself. I want to inspire humanity in a rude awakening style. Kaya ganun yung songs ko, ganito ako magsalita. Kasi for me, tama na yung nice guy. Mr. Nice Guy.
Yes.
Nagawa na natin dati yun eh. May nagbago ba? Wala naman. So now, I want to rudely awaken humanity.
Yun. Direk, sorry alam ko medyo over the time na tayo. Pero I'm very curious kasi, no? Medyo lilipat lang ako ng konting topic, no? Kasi kanina ko pa naririnig that you're also an international sa fashion.
Yes.
Pagdating sa fashion, no? I'm just curious, exactly nasaan ka right now when it comes to international fashion?
Well, there's a big fashion show that's gonna happen on May 31.
Mhm.
Please support it in Malolos, Bulacan.
Aha.
Sa hiyas ng Sentro ng Kultura. Parang ano siya, of Bulacan, parang siyang CCP ng Bulacan.
Okay.
So sa hiyas, Bulwagan hiyas. So it's on May 31. It's called
Mhm.
Filipino Fashion Runway, and I'm now directing it, and I'm
Wow.
changing
Uh-huh.
the game of fashion
Mhm.
because I was also dubbed as the monster of fashion years ago. So it's the resurrection of the monster of fashion. I'm back,
Wow.
and I want to tell the whole fashion industry na you're not ready for this,
Mhm.
and I want to disturb the whole formula.
Wow.
So I was always featured internationally, never here. Kasi they're scared. I'm too much daw. Kasi I'm an avant-garde designer. I was featured in Vogue Italia. I was featured in New York, in British magazines.
Mhm.
Pero dito, wala.
Mhm.
Hindi ako pinapansin dito kasi there's, I don't know, maybe they're threatened by me or they can't take yung pagiging surreal at avant-garde ko. So, kasi conservative daw ang mga Pilipino, which I don't agree
Mhm.
because we love Western stuff.
Yes.
That's not being conservative.
Sorry, kailan ulit ito, Direk?
May 31st
May 31st.
in Malolos, Bulacan.
Malolos,
So,
Bulacan.
I hope you guys
Okay.
can come. Or we will video it naman. There's press, there's media.
Mhm.
So, someday you're gonna see it naman kung hindi ka makapunta man. Pero
Mhm.
sana supportahan niyo siya, ikalat niyo siya. Kung may
Yes.
kaibigan kayo sa Malolos, sabihan niyo sila manood. Kasi kakaiba to. I will really change the game.
Yes.
And I will feature my designs.
Mhm.
So, meron akong 10 dresses na ipapakita doon
Wow.
na malala.
Mhm. That's very exciting,
Oo,
Direk.
oo.
Guys, sa mga taga Bulacan dyan, Malolos, Bulacan, May 31st, ayan,
Yes.
ilaban
It's called
natin yan.
the Filipino Fashion Runway 2026.
Okay, perfect. Yan, and we're very excited to have this direct, no? Kasi gaya ng sabi natin, it's always a game changer, no?
It has to be.
It has to be.
Mga Pilipino kasi tayo.
Yes.
Hindi tayo papayag. We're world class by
Mm.
nature.
Yes.
Wala tayong choice. Oo. Kaya galit ako sa mga pwede na. No, istorbohin natin ang mundo.
Yes.
Ganon.
Hindi talaga pwede
Positively,
pwede na. Oo.
Positively. Let's disturb the world positively.
Yes.
Like, magpapansin tayo about our greatness as Filipinos.
Yes. Direk, sige. Since I know marami ka pang mga upcoming shows,
Okay.
no? Mga, saan ka ba namin pwedeng abangan?
So,
Saan ba namin
sige.
pwedeng panoorin?
Well, first of all, follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So, it's Mr. Speaks. Yung Mr. ko is MR lang, walang dot. Kasi yung hindi siya Mr. Speaks talaga, trivia. It's MR Speaks. It's Manu Respal Speaks.
Oh,
Tapos people thought
okay.
Mr. Speaks siya.
Okay.
So, ayun yung trivia.
Ah.
So, Mr. Speaks Official sa Instagram, YouTube, Mr. Speaks Official. Sa Facebook, Mr. Speaks. Tapos, Manu Respal, then follow me. And then, ayun. Tapos may mga shows kami. Sorry, tanda na. Nag-glasses talaga. May upcoming shows kami. It's called Escuela.
Mhm.
So, it's a tour with Brad Pitt.
Ah.
Pero si Prof. Pitt na siya ngayon.
Prof. Pete, yeah.
It's a special music and comedy show featuring Prof. Pitt.
Mhm.
Tapos, sa May 21 yon sa Takeover Lounge sa QC.
This is comedy pa, no?
Yes,
Tama
comedy
yun.
and
Musical.
art and music. oo.
Okay, music.
So,
Mm.
sa Katipunan yon QC. So, tickets are for $1,000. So, please tell your friends, tara, ang galing ni Prof. Pitt talaga. And the Filipino knows
Mm. Yes.
Prof. Pitt. Siya yung dating
Alien.
si Brad Pitt. So, yun. And then, I'm also included with yun, the Stop the War movement. We talked about it na. And then, the band vocalists. Yung band, yung bawal. BANNED.
Band.
So, we
okay.
are the band vocalists. Me and my cousin, we're both opinionated. And we have a podcast like this na nagtotalk kami about sensitive issues. Yung mga issues na hindi kaya ng tao, we talk about it. So, I hope you support us ng band
Spotify po
vocalist.
ito? Direct?
TikTok, IG, Facebook, YouTube.
Oh,
Oo.
okay. All
So,
social media
Yeah.
platforms.
So, the band
Okay.
vocalist is a bold, unfiltered podcast by Maximum and Mr. Speaks.
Mhm.
So, kung kaya, if you can handle the truth, yan, watch those.
Uh-huh.
Tapos, magbabusking din kami. You know naman what busking is. So, follow us, SOCMED, for pop-up busking gigs with Mr. Speaks and Maximum. So, pati din si Prof. Pete, minsan sasama siya. So, ngayon, meron kami sa, Intramuros. So, abangan niyo yan. Tapos, sa SOCMED naman, yun, Mr. Speaks, socials, eskwela ni Prof. Pete at eskwela ni Prof. Pete at Who is Maximum. So that's my cousin. And then, and more shows, films coming up,
Yes.
TV series coming up,
Yes.
fashion shows, and everything else, etc., etc. Alam niyo naman, ang dami kong ginagawa. So, please supportan niyo ako. Anything that can help humanity, why not? Tapos yung yung movie natin para maistorbo natin ang Hollywood sa galing ng
Yes.
Pilipino. Because that is the only thing why I'm doing. And it's entitled Ishan. It's like ocean with an E. Ishan. E-C-E-A-N. Please, gawang Pilipino, sulat Pilipino, ipagyabang natin sa mundo.
Yes.
Tulungan niyo ako kasi konti na lang. Literal funds na lang, pero the whole team is ready. And it's not really big.
Yes.
Kasi alam naman natin kung magkano ang isang buong pelikula na hindi naman. So kaya natin simulan ng isang series, isang episode, and then gather funds again for the next episode. Parang sana maging self-funded siya. Kind of thing.
Yes.
Pero kung may isang gustong mag-fund ng buong season, why not? So,
Ilaban natin yan.
Laban natin yan. Para sa mundo. At saka iso-show siya hindi dito sa buong mundo. Because we're talking to Amazon, HBO, Netflix.
Mga major
Exactly.
video platforms.
Hindi talaga tayo papayag na dito lang sa cinemas natin.
Pilipinas,
Yung
yeah.
buong mundo talaga.
Yes.
So, yun yung goal, guys. Malalaki ang goals natin. Hindi tayo papayag na swabe lang yung goal.
Yes.
Dapat big goals.
Correct.
Libre lang mangarap.
Di ba? Yeah, alam mo, Direk Mano, I'm very, very excited. Sana ma-push through na yan, masimulan na kaagad, para at least, di ba, makita natin kung gaano kagaling yung Pilipino when it comes to creating this kinds of films. Not
And
only-
anything.
Mhm.
From crafts to whatever.
Yes,
Oo.
correct.
Sana na-inspire ko kayo in the most radical way. In any way possible. Tara, mangarap kayo kasi na-prove ko na kaya siyang gawin by will. Hindi yung chances. Hindi,
Yes.
by will. Just believe, trust in the universe. It will happen.
Siguro, Direk, ito na lang. Last question ko na to for
Oh,
you.
go.
Ano ang pinaka-best advice na pwede mong ibigay sa isang tao na gustong pasukin yung ganitong industriya? Kasi hindi to madali,
Hindi talaga.
honestly. And
Oo.
especially you have this kind of advocacy. 'Di ba? Overall, anong advice ang mabibigay mo sa kanila?
First of all, hindi totoo na walang pera sa art. Hindi yan totoo. Nakapagpaaral ako ng maraming tao, nag-alaga ako ng maraming tao, gawa sa art lang. I have never worked in my life, ever. I got it all from my art. You just have to believe, love, be determined, and not stop. Believe and not stop. Kasi someday it will happen nga.
Yes.
Because you will manifest it because you were born to do it. Hindi, unless fake kang artist, may fake na artist eh.
Yes.
So, good luck na lang. Pero pag totoo kasi, latag mo sa universe. And it will happen. At huwag ka matinag na kasi mahirap, walang pera, walang sumusuporta. Hindi. Actually, yun po ang nakapagpagawa sa akin ng lahat ng pangarap ko. Kasi may mga hindi sumuporta, may nagsabi sa akin hindi ko magagawa, may pumigil sa akin, may pumilit sa akin, magtrabaho na lang. Yun ang nakapag-actually push siya and to really prove it. So, this can only be done by someone who is truthful in their hearts, mind, and souls. Yun lang ang may kaya gawin to. Pero kung gusto mo lang, trip mo lang, try mo lang, hindi mo magagawa to.
Yes. Don't stop believing. Push mo lang yan.
Super.
Diba?
Push.
It would be a hard, kumbaga, medyo mahirap yung tatahakin mo, pero
Mahirap.
darating
Pero
tayo
it
doon.
is worth the journey. Promise. You will laugh about your journey. You will laugh about your tragedies, your hardship. You will laugh about it when your dream happens.
It would happen.
And it's not an if. It will. The question ng kailan. Yung
Totoo.
kailan, depende sa'yo kung gaano ka kasipag at gaano ka kadeterminado para gawin na yung
Yes.
pangarap mo nauna.
And take note kailangan mo siyang trabahuhin.
Like,
Hindi
like
po
we
pwedeng
said,
ano.
a king does not become a king just sitting on a throne. tumayo ka at kumilos ka.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
Ayan, sige. Maraming salamat po, Direk Manu, no? So for your words of wisdom. Wow!
Oh, may,
Gusto ko
may,
yun.
may words pala of wisdom. Well, I
Diba?
try my best.
Yes, we really appreciate your time today, no, giving us these kinds of words, inspiring us, 'di ba, on how we're going to supposedly handle those battles, kung ano mang larangan yung
Head on.
tinatahak natin right
The
now.
only way out is through.
Yes.
Let's go.
Tuloy mo lang yan, labanan mo lang.
Oo.
Ayan. Sige guys, so again, we would like to invite everyone. Again, thank you, Direk Manu. Ayan.
Thank you. It's been
Yan.
great.
And again, everyone would like to invite you on our upcoming anniversary show. This is on the First Sun production that will be happening on June 6 and 7, 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. at 5th floor, the Mirror Studio Theater, SJG Building, Kalayaan Avenue, Poblacion. The title is Saglit Lang, Totoo Na, featuring the works of Lisa Magtoto, Vincent De Jesus, Alfonso Dacanay, Rene Villanueva, Gloria Nacional, Caleb Alvarez, and Frank Rivera. So, book your tickets now, guys, kasi first come, first serve to. And just to give you an idea, hindi lang isang play ang nakapaloob dito. And that is the reason why it's called Saglit Lang, Totoo Na, because it's a composition of different plays that we put into one production show. So I hope
Nice.
we will be able to see you there. Yan, sa Mirror Studio this coming June 6 and 7. For bookings and reservations, you may directly contact First Sun Production or through the telephone numbers 0954-170-2679 and 0927-242-2673. Saglit lang, totoo na. Ayan, magkita-kita po tayo sa Mirror Studio. And of course, we'd like also to invite everyone to please do watch our live stream under Ignis Novus Artist Management. Every Monday, we have Chikahan with Mami Ray. Yan. Every Wednesday naman, up-top download with Charles Dion Partido and Caleb Alvarez. And of course, every Friday, we have Coffee Chat with the Ven Noveno. So make your 7 p.m. MWF a habit with Ignis Novus Artist Management. And also, please do like, subscribe to our official fan pages with Ignis Novus Ignis Novus Artist Management. Ayan, in Facebook and in Instagram, that's Ignis Novus Artist Management. And in TikTok, at ignisnovus.official. And of course, our mother production, it's First Sun Production. In Facebook and in Instagram, that's First Sun Production. And if you want to watch the replays of our live streams, ayan, or watch the teasers of our upcoming show, theater, including yung mga corporate events, you may go to YouTube at First Sun Creatives. Ayan. Again, Direk Manu, maraming salamat for your time.
Sana bumalik ulit
Yan.
ako.
Of course, syempre. Ayan.
Let's go, Ignis Novus.
Ayan, maraming salamat po, Direk. And again, guys, magkita-kita po tayo next week, same time, same day. At gaya po ng parati nating sinasabi, life is just like a cup of coffee. You have to taste it for you to enjoy it. Bye, guys! Everyone, it's another beautiful night, and thank God it's Friday. Welcome back to Coffee Chat.
Your identity is concerned. God is so good, He will give you air angels.
Mag-aral ka ng dance, voice, lahat ng pwede mong pasukan na aralin mo.
Sa mga director, producers, designers. Number 1 yan sa mga designers. Kasi sila yung...
Life, parang, why would you wait for challenges to come? Hindi ba challenge yung araw-araw na?
Where we brew amazing conversations and inspiring stories.